Welcome to the biology class, children. Today we will start with the rest of the animal tissues, and these are the number 1 muscle tissues or the muscle fibers, and the most importantly the last one, the nervous tissue and the neurons. Animals can move because of the elasticity and flexibility of muscular tissues. Muscular tissues have elongated cells called muscle fibers. Muscular tissues are of 3 kinds: striated muscle, unstriated muscle, and cardiac muscle. Striated muscles are cylindrical, unbranched, and multinucleated. Each muscle fiber has dark bands alternating with light bands called striations. These muscles help us move our limbs and lift weights at our will. So, striated muscles are called voluntary muscles. Well, they are found in our limbs, body wall, face, and neck. See how the food is pushed down to the alimentary canal by the contraction and relaxation of the muscles. This process is done by unstriated muscles, which are spindle-shaped with one nucleus. They do not have the striations and are called the smooth muscles. They are also beyond our control and are called the involuntary muscles. So, these muscles are found in the iris of the eye, urinary bladder, and the bronchi of the lungs. That leaves only one type of the muscular tissue, and that is the cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles are branched cylindrical fibers with a single nucleus. The contraction and relaxation of these involuntary muscles cause heartbeats. Well, do you know what are the boys doing? They are trying to converse over a telephone that they have made. The function of the wire is to transmit the information. Similarly, our body also has tissues that transport the information from one part of the body to the another, and these are called nerve tissues. Let's take a closer look to the nerve tissues. Well, neuron or nerve tissues have elongated cells called the neurons. Each neuron consists of a cell body with a nucleus and the cytoplasm called cyton. The elongated hair-like extensions are called dendrites. One of the dendrites is called axon, is very long. Neurons join end to end to form nerve fibers, and these nerves are richly supplied with the blood. Nervous tissues are found in the brain, spinal cord, and nerves. The combination of nerves and the muscle tissues enables us to move rapidly in response to the stimulus.